The Sniffles. Here you are, Weenie Girl. Crispy, crunchy cereal. Oh my gosh, what was that? That sounds like Henry sneezing. That's one big sneeze. Come on, girl. We'd better check on Henry.
Come in.
Oh my gosh, Henry. Are you ill? Huh?
I went out in the rain without my umbrella, and I got all wet. Now I have a case of the Arctic sniffles.
The Arctic sniffles? Oh no!
It's nothing serious,
Oh, good.
but I feel terrible.
Oh no!
Achoo!
Bless you. What you need is a good nap. Let's get you to bed.
I don't really feel like a nap, Oswald. Achoo!
But you need one.
Thanks, old chum.
Do you want me to get you anything?
No. Achoo! I'm fine. Except maybe the newspaper
Certainly, Henry.
and some hot cocoa would be nice with 2 marshmallows. No more. Achoo! No less.
Of course. Come on, Weenie. Oh, look! A rain cloud. We'd better get under cover. Whew, that was close. Hi, Bingo. One copy of the Big City Bugle, please. Thank you. We'd better hurry to the big diner. We don't want to get wet.
Hello, Oswald. Hello, Weenie.
Hi, Madam Butterfly. I'd like a mug of cocoa to take away. With 2 marshmallows. No more, no less.
Oh, it must be for Henry. 1 hot cocoa coming right up. 1, 2. No more, no less.
Thanks, Madam Butterfly. Henry's got a bad case of the sniffles.
Poor Henry. You know, a nice bowl of soup is the best way to get rid of the sniffles.
I didn't know that.
Just a minute. Here you go. 1 hot sardine soup. It's Henry's favourite.
Thanks again, Madam Butterfly. I'm sure this'll make Henry feel better.
Me too, Oswald. Goodbye now.
Bye, Madam Butterfly. The Big City Bugle, a cup of cocoa, and sardine soup. Ooh, it is a lot to carry. Oh, thank you, Weenie. Now let's get back to Henry. Oh my gosh. We better take another way home. We don't want to get wet from the rain. Johnny.
Why, hello there, Oswald. Weenie. My, you've got your hands full.
It's for Henry. He's got the sniffles.
Is that so? You know, Oswald, I believe keeping warm is the best way to get rid of the sniffles.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Here, give these nice, warm woolies to Henry.
Thanks, Johnny. I'm sure they'll make Henry feel better.
I hope so. Goodbye now.
Bye, Johnny. Okay, girl. Let's take Henry the Big City Bugle, the cup of cocoa, the sardine soup, and the warm woolies. Oops. Oh my gosh. It's that rain cloud again. We'd better take a shortcut. Whew.
Good day, Oswald.
Good day, Weenie.
Hi, Egbert and Leo.
My, you certainly have your hands full.
Yes, yes. Why?
It's for Henry, to make him feel better. He's got the sniffles.
You know, the best way to get rid of the sniffles...
Is with lots and lots of hankies to keep his nose happy.
I didn't know that.
Here is a whole box of happy hankies. Please take them to Henry.
Yes, yes, with our best wishes.
Thanks, fellas. I'm sure these will make Henry feel better.
Good show. Good luck.
Goodbye.
Bye, Egbert and Leo. Okay, Weenie, let's take Henry the Big City Bugle, the cup of cocoa, the sardine soup, the warm woolies, and the happy hankies. Oh my gosh! Let's go, Weenie! Quick, Weenie, in here!
Oswald, Weenie, welcome, welcome.
Hi, Andy. We were just ducking in from that rain cloud.
Well, what'll it be?
I think we have everything we need. Henry's got the sniffles, and we have all these remedies for him.
Do you have soothing cough drops? Because cough drops are absolutely the best way to get rid of the sniffles.
I didn't know that.
Oh, yes. Would you like Swizzleberry drops, or Tootsie Fruitsy drops, or Chocolate Latte, or Jelly Jamboree?
How about Doodle Drops?
Doodle drops, excellent choice.
Thanks, Andy. I'm sure this'll make Henry feel better.
It will. Bye-bye now. Come again. Come again.
Bye, Andy. Cocoa with marshmallows, soup of sardine, warm fuzzy woolies and hankies so clean. Dozens of doodle drops, I've got them all. So let's get home before the rain starts to fall. It's raining, Weenie! Run!
Come in.
Henry, we're back.
Oh, hello, Oswald. Did you bring the newspaper? Thanks, Weenie. Is that my cocoa? Thanks, chum. 2 marshmallows?
No more, no less. Henry, you look so much better.
Just like you said, Oswald. All I needed was a good nap.
But we brought you soup. And hankies. And doodle drops. And... Achoo!
Uh-oh. I'd say you've come down with a bad case of the Arctic sniffles. Let's get you to bed.
It must have been the rain. Achoo!
Bless you.
I don't really feel like a nap.
But you need one. And here's some soup. And some hankies. And some doodle drops.
Thanks, Henry.
Hey, I know the best thing for the sniffles.
What?
A big plate of steamed seaweed. I'll be right back.